YouTube. Today we're going to make limeade. We've been talking about making this for a while, so today we're going to go ahead and get it done. It's July 4th, super hot, middle of the summer. Limeade or lemonade takes 4 basic ingredients: water, ice, lime or lemons, and sugar, and that's it. It's super refreshing on a hot summer's day. So we're going to make 1 gallon of limeade today. It's going to take 1 gallon of water. It's going to take 2 cups of sugar and probably 8 to 10 limes or lemons. It just really depends on how sweet or how tart you like it. This recipe is just like any of your paint pouring recipes or any other recipe. You know, you kind of got to make it the way you like it. But this is just the basics. So we'll get started. This is an old-fashioned squeezer. It works really well. Squeezes a lot of juice out. You can use any kind of squeezer. You can hand squeeze. I just really like to get all the juice out. It's going to take around a cup or 2 of juice. And so squeeze about a cup. Looks like we need a little more. I'm gonna measure it. Yep, some more. That's 4 limes. If you're squeezing by hand at home, you're not going to get near as much juice out of 1 as we will with this machine here. But you'll just want to get more limes. Okay, so you'll take your cup of lemon or lime juice and pour it into your container. And then you'll want to take a cup of sugar and 2 cups of sugar total. We tried this recipe with 3 cups of sugar, 2.5 cups of sugar. Really just depends on how much sweetness you want. You don't have to heat the sugar water or the water as long as you stir it up. It just needs to be stirred until it's completely dissolved. You can make a simple syrup with a gallon of water and 2 cups of sugar. Put it on your oven and heat it up until the sugar melts and use that for your simple syrup. But sometimes when you put a lot of heat to sugar and water, it crystallizes. And so you don't want clumps of crusty candy down in the bottom. I mean, some people might, but this is how we're going to do it. I just stir it up until it's ready. About like that. It didn't take very long at all, and it's already done. So it's very important when you make lemonade or limeade fresh that you put ice in your cup, because ice is an ingredient to this recipe. It fills in areas and it just doesn't taste the same without it. It's so good. Anyways, there it is. You can put a little garnish in there. You can put some extra limes in there. Let them float around. The longer this sits, the better it is. So I'm making this for a family reunion on the 6th of July. This is the 4th of July, America's Independence Day. So I thought I'd come to you with this today. Super refreshing. It's super hot out here and it's early in the morning. That's perfect. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.